Hello, my name is Shelby Harrell, and I'll be reporting on the economics of Black Friday. Black Friday is one of the biggest shopping days in America during the year. For those of you who have ever worked retail, you understand the craziness that goes along with Black Friday. When you look at the discounts offered by businesses, it's hard to imagine anyone can make money. Still, every year Black Friday is the day where businesses go from being in the red to being in the black, where they turn a profit. All signs point to something going right, but what? I believe one of the biggest influences on prices being so low is supply and demand. After all, demand shifts when there's an expected change in price. If a TV typically cost $1,000, but the price is expected to drop to $500 for one day and one day only, the demand for that TV will increase, causing a shift along the demand curve. Companies must consider a cost-benefit analysis of selling the TV for a lower cost. In addition to that, before Black Friday, stores will receive a large quantity of inventory for the products that will be going on sale. I find it very unlikely that manufacturers would increase production right before the sale in order to supply stores with the larger amounts of products. I think the products that go on sale during Black Friday are strategically chosen. If a company has a surplus of a particular product, it would make sense for them to sell that product at a discount. What they would want to sell as much of the product as possible. I think yet another factor that plays into the success of Black Friday is the number of people willing to buy the product. If we look back at our TV example, the number of people willing to buy the TV for $1,000 will be less than the number of people willing to buy the TV for $500. If 2 people are willing to buy the TV for $1,000, but 4 people are willing to buy the TV for $500, the company is no worse off as selling the TV for a lower price. However, the marketing and excitement of Black Friday, along with the expectation that prices will increase soon, causes the number of people willing to buy the TV at a discount to be far greater. The expectation that price will change causes a shift in the demand curve. In this case, because the expectation is that the price will increase after the sale, the demand for the TV on Black Friday shifts to the right. That means a company can make even more money from selling the product at a discount than if they sold the product at a normal price. In addition to that, people face trade-offs. In the case of Black Friday, people can choose between going to the store and braving the craziness to get the TV for a discount or staying at home with their families. When I look at my own shopping habits, I notice that I hardly only get the one thing I came to the store for. I think this is one of the big ways to make money on Black Friday. Not only are companies selling their discounted items, but they are also selling anything else a customer picks up while they happen to be there. Perhaps a customer came to the store for the $500 TV, but while they are there, they see the video game their son mentioned wanting. They are already at the store, and they are already getting such a great discount on the TV, it would make sense for them to get it now. The lower cost of the TV, along with the convenience of being in the location, adds an incentive for customers to buy more. Add-on purchases could easily increase a person's total, in addition to increasing the revenue of the store. I feel like the crazy sales that happen during Black Friday are a great tool to bring in more customers. If only a few people decided to shop on Black Friday, the lower prices wouldn't be worth it. However, that is not the case. Despite the rise in online shopping, Black Friday is still the busiest shopping day of the year. As long as the demand is there, Black Friday will continue to make economic sense.